Hello everyone. So I finished all the painting and window trims and baseboards. Everything came really nice. Now my next step is to install water valves for toilets and the sink. So first thing I want to show you something about crimps and talk about the crimps. So there are two different crimps available. They are called pinch crimp and regular crimps. Now I'm gonna show you both of them. So as I told you, there are two type of crimping available. So these are the crimp rings. So these are the copper rings, and this called pinch crimp rings. So they both do the same job, but the difference is one is really round, the other one has a little thing for crimping. And the specialty of these one, you can remove it, but once you put these ones and crimp, you cannot remove it. So for if you have to remove your valves in the future, so I would recommend go with these one, but these are really strong. So now I'm going to show both of them how to crimp. So I bought both kind of crimp rings, copper rings and pinch crimp rings. I'm going to show you how to crimp with both crimps. So now you see this the pipe is not straight cut, so it's better to have a straight cut. So if you don't have a cutter like that, you can use regular cutter, or I would go with branch trimmer, that works too. So now I'm gonna show you, just after you keep 1/8 of a space here, you can put your valve. And there are two different kind of crimpers. So this is pinch crimp. So you can buy these ones from any hardware store. So what you need to do, that put this like that and pinch it. So I'm not going to do right now. The other one is the copper ring. It's the same procedure, but it's little bit different. Sorry. The one I have has a half an inch crimp and 3/4 crimp. So it's the same thing, but when you crimping, you need to be really careful, because sometimes it's really hard, this ring can move. So in such a case, I would recommend you to take a little plier and just press little bit, then it will stay without moving. So this is the cold water water line for the toilet. So I need to keep about 2 inches, because it's better to leave a little space in the future if this valve malfunction or not working. So you still can cut little bit more and you can add another new one. So I'm going to cut this pipe 2 inches. So it's, as I told you earlier, it's better to leave a 2-inch length, in case in the future if you have to change this one, then you can cut it and reinstall another one. Once you install these ones, there's no way you can remove it. So I'm carefully gonna cut this one. So I'm going to put this copper ring first. Now I'm gonna insert this valve. Make sure the valve goes way in, and better to keep about little space here, about 1/8. So as I told you earlier, this is easily moving. So I would take the plier first and make it little tight. See, now it's not moving. The reason is I had a bad experience when this is really tough to crimp it sometimes. So when you do like that, so it can move. So it can change the position. So yeah, you can show here. Now I'm gonna crimp it. This is a 1/2 inch pex. Okay, so now it's ready to go. So I'm gonna put my pressure and crimp it. Yeah, it's really tough. Okay, good. So once it's go like that, it's done. Maybe you can do one more time. Initial one is the hard. See, it's now it's done. Yeah, it's very strong, these copper rings. Okay. This is the sink I am gonna install here. You see, this is really small. So it's about only yeah, 8 inches. So I want to make sure that these pipes not coming out too much. But as I told you earlier, it's better to have a 2 inches length in the future if you have to cut this one and replace the valve. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one now. So I already put the mark 2 inch. Straight cut one. So for this hot water and cold water, I'm gonna use this pinch grip. One more advantage of using these ones, as I told you earlier, you can remove it and get the valve out. Other reason is, like a space like that, when you try to use this one, it's no much room. You see how tight? So then especially like these one I can manage, but for this one, yeah, so if you don't have enough room, then it's better to use these pinch grips. And these ones, this crimper is little more expensive than the pinch crimp. This is not very expensive, so anybody can buy this one and use it. So these are the new valves. So in the valves they have lots of unnecessary stuff, so I don't need these one, just I need this part only. So you insert it. Oh, this is a little problem in here. Oh no, I think I can see now. Anyway, I need to cut this one too, so it will be not a problem to close it. So these valves I bought from Home Depot. It's a 846 or something. The first time I couldn't find these ones at Home Depot, then I went to Canadian Tire. Exactly the same product is $11.99. So I have to return Canadian Tire valves later. So these I bought from Home Depot. Exactly the same products and $4 difference. What a ripoff. Okay, so the ring is here, valve is here, so the water lines go up. So this is called L-shaped valve. Okay, so I'm gonna crimp it, this one. Very tight. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so one more thing, these pinch crimps, you still can move these one, but they are not leaking, so don't worry if it's moving here and there. Don't worry about it, but these are very stronger, so it's can really stay in the same place. So that's how you crimp PEX pipes using both kind of crimps. Yeah, so this is my sink, so I'm gonna show you in the next step how to use it. So after these ones, in my next video I will show you how to install toilet by yourself. You don't have to call plumber to do that. If you call plumber, he will charge about $400 to install a toilet. So I'll show you.